Hi, I'm Kanan with the Epoch Times, and we are looking at HP's EliteBook 2560p notebook. When I first noticed the somewhat high price of $1,099 that HP calls the pint-sized powerhouse, I wondered what made it so unique. Well, let's find out. This professional-looking ultra-portable laptop has a 12.5-inch diagonal display with a thickness of just over an inch and weighs about 3.6 pounds. So if you're a business professional or someone who travels a lot, this is definitely a choice worth considering. The EliteBook comes preloaded with genuine Windows 7 Professional and an Intel Core i5 or i7 dual-core processor at 3.3 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology that makes the battery last longer. And it gives you the choice of either a SATA hard drive up to 500 GB or a solid-state drive up to 160 GB. There are two DDR3 memory slots that support up to 16 gigs of memory. There's also the onboard Intel HD 3000 graphics card that can easily play 720p resolution videos. Now, one of the highlights of this notebook is its rugged design. The chassis is made of magnesium alloy and has a smooth finish. The inner enclosures are made of aluminum, giving it a nice polished look. The EliteBook is designed with military standards to withstand dust, humidity, and high temperatures. Another great feature that is not found in other 12.5-inch notebooks like the Samsung Series 3 or the Lenovo IdeaPad is that this is the only notebook to have an inbuilt optical drive. So you don't need to have an external device to watch your movies. Like any other notebook, the keyboard and touchpad play a big role in our daily experience. The keyboard feels nice and smooth, the keys bounce quite well. There's an ambient light sensor that automatically senses and provides the best lighting. The white glass touchpad feels somewhat small. I'm not sure how many of you use the point stick regularly, but it has two helper buttons that go with it. The two-finger scrolling is smooth, but I'm not sure how comfortable you would feel if you kept hitting the buttons as you browse through a long web page, for example. Now there are two USB 2.0 ports at the back and an external monitor port. On the right side, there are two card reader slots, a display port for higher resolution, and an eSATA port. For an additional $149, you can get more ports by connecting a docking station. Unfortunately, there's no HDMI. The EliteBook comes with a 6-cell battery that, according to HP, lasts about 8.5 hours. If you wanted longer, you can buy a 9-cell battery for $149 that gives about 14 hours. Now that may be good for long flights where you can't always have a power supply provided. The EliteBook makes it very easy to replace your hard drive or memory or other components. Simply pull the latch and there you go. You can add additional memory right there. You may wonder, what kind of software does this notebook provide? Let's see. There's Norton antivirus pre-installed, and then there is HP Protect Tools, a comprehensive software suite that includes applications such as drive encryption and device access manager to selectively disable devices. If you knew about QuickWeb, you may be making excuses for not booting up Windows every once in a while. QuickWeb utility allows you to quickly surf the web, use Skype, or send email. You can see the address bar and several widgets here. It even lets you play videos. So that's the HP EliteBook 2560p Ultra Portable Notebook for you. I'm Kanan and thank you for watching. To read the full review, please visit ept.ms/tech.